We are looking at how to pronounce this word, this citizenship or nationality. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing country names and vocabulary many get wrong in English. Stay tuned to learn more. Let's break down the pronunciation. Both British and American English are similar here. Philippians. Fi-li-pi-ans. Stress on the second syllable, so on the li syllables. Philippians are the inhabitants of the Philippines, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and useful vocabulary. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.